Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on OnlyFans. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. In order to sign up, you will first need to download the application or use the sign up section within www.onlyfans.com. For this video, we will be using the OnlyFans application, which can be downloaded from the official website. If you don't have the application downloaded on your device yet, then we already have a video made for you, so you might want to check that one out. So in order to sign up, go ahead and open up the OnlyFans application on your smartphone. Once you open the application, tap on Sign Up for OnlyFans underneath the Login section. Now this will take you into the sign up screen. Go ahead and type in your name, followed by your email address, and set up a password for your account. Once you enter all of these, you can tap on the Sign In button. This will now take you into your account. You will now be required to verify your email address, so go ahead and tap on Verify Email. Make sure that your email address is displayed correctly, and then tap on the Send Confirmation button. This will give you a notification which says check your inbox. So go ahead and check your inbox and you will find a mail from onlyfans.com. Open up this email and tap on the link given within. This will now open up the OnlyFans application and you will be shown a notification which says that your email address is verified. And now you can use your newly created account on OnlyFans. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.